Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SketchUp free for browser modeling. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in sketchup.com and press enter. Once the SketchUp homepage loads, locate and click on Try SketchUp Free. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, click on the Start Free Trial button. Next, you will see options for signing in or creating an account. Since you are a new user, select Create an Account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security. After filling in your details, review the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, then check the box to agree. Click on the Create My Account button to proceed. A verification email will be sent to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and find the verification message from SketchUp. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the SketchUp website. Log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be greeted by the SketchUp free interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features. You are now ready to start modeling in SketchUp free. Enjoy creating your designs with this powerful tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.